Hello, Roman Cruising and Travel fans. It's Rob here with Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Here once again with the next food review. And where did we go today? We went back to McDonald's. And we decided to get a little snack size wraps with a drink. The crispy ranch wraps. So just a little side snack, as we don't want nothing too heavy, and we're gonna give it a taste try. But without delay, let's have that intro, and I'll see you after that. And thank you for staying all for the intro. Once again, I'm your host, Rob, with Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Once again, we're here back at McDonald's. And we decided to get ourselves a snack wrap, a nice cold drink of chocolate milk, and we're just waiting for it to show on up. So once it shows up, I'll be sure to share it all with you. And the food has now arrived with the chocolate milk. So let's dive in, take a look at it, and give it a taste try. So this is what it looks like. It's grilled. I thought it was crispy, but it's grilled. So let's give it a taste try. Not too bad. I like the crispy ones a little bit more better, because it feels like it has more flavor when you have crispy. But it's pretty good, and I can't complain, because this meal only here costs about $5 plus taxes, so $5.65. So it wasn't too bad. And like I said, this is just a little snack. It's not meant for a main meal. But if you're a light eater, this is a good meal to get, because you don't get too much. And it will satisfy you if you're a light eater. And of course, it came with some fries, which we'll get to in a brief moment or two. But like I said, to me, I found this chicken just a little bit dry. Just needs a little bit more flavoring. Whether it be some tomato in there or some peppers or something. I don't know. Maybe a tomato. Just to give it a little more freshness. But like I said, I think I'll stick with the crispy. Because, yeah, the crispy, I think, is the better choice. But we're almost done this little snack wrap. And then we're going to move on to the fries. And now we're into the golden fries. So let's give it a taste try and see they are. Because McDonald's fries, it's my opinion, are known to be one of the best. So is it still the best from the way I used to remember them to be? Let's find out. They're pretty darn damn good. And they're not too salty. Now, you can always add more salt yourself. But the saltiness that they put on them, I think is way more than enough. But these fries are damn good. I really, really enjoy these fries. So, these fries and the wrap, I'm gonna get a solid 10 out of 10. And let me know, what is your favorite thing to get from McDonald's? Let us all know in that comment section down below. And of course, while you're down that way, now's the most amazing time to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, do all that stuff, great amazing things down there before or after leaving that comment, and share this video out to everybody you know. But I'm gonna wrap up this food review this week with you guys. I'm Rob with Cruising on the High Seas and Travel, and I'll see you all on the high seas or wherever travels may take us. Till then, bye for now.